everyone, thanks for tuning in. If today is your first time stopping by my video, you're especially welcome. Make afang soup with
goodness
and mother tea. You're welcome. This is water leaf. Goodness will be cutting this. This is our afang.
This is the most challenging video I've ever done in the history of Mother Tea Kitchen. Our camera was set, boom, power supply went off. We find ourselves in a country where power supply goes out anytime, any day. No hope of it coming back soon. Goodness looked at me and said, Mother Tea, meaning we are not going to video this again. I told her this is one of the challenges I face. We must do this video. She said how? I told her I don't know, because one of my lights that uses battery has already gone off. Our generator is not in good shape. Kitchen is already getting dark because this is dinner. Humanly, all hope was gone for this video to be possible. I went to backyard to cool off. I noticed there's still brightness over there. I told Goodness to turn our table and she did. That was how we started making this video. It is awesome, right? Now, I don't know what life has thrown on you. This is me telling you that it is not the right time for you to sit down and start crying. It is the time for you to stand up and challenge that challenge.
Back to the business of today. How much do you know afang soup? This recipe is popular Nigeria dish, a native soup in Akwa Ibom and Cross River State. Afang soup is basically made from afang leaf or okaze in Igbo language and water leaf. This soup is one of the most easiest soup to prepare. Don't forget there is no light, so I use mortar to pound pepper. In here is chicken, fleshy parts of stockfish and scotch bonnet pepper. Have you ever tried using chicken to cook your afang soup before? The taste is given. This recipe needs assorted protein. This is me adding more. Go ahead and make use of any protein that you can afford, okay? When making this recipe, ensure that you don't put too much water in your protein, as the soup requires no water or little water. Here my protein is 80% cooked. Go ahead and add the sliced water leaf, add palm oil, allow that to dry. The secret ingredient of this recipe is palm oil. Add enough palm oil. In fact, be generous with your palm oil. Once you notice the water from the leaf has dried up, go ahead and add any ingredients you wish to add. This is me adding extra pepper.
This is afang leaf going in. Don't forget to grind your afang leaf. This is alternative way to grind crayfish when mortar and blender is not available. This is the result. Crayfish and palm oil is the last thing I added. Remember, no water or little water. My today's special greeting goes to Ewom Confidence from Calabar. She's the one that taught me how to make this recipe during my NYSC. A big hug to her since she taught me how to make this recipe and be preparing it confidently anytime, any day and anywhere. Do you have any tips for making this recipe even more better one? Drop it in the comment section. A big shout out to my new subscribers and my new followers. Thanks for joining Mother Tea family. To my returning viewers, thanks for always supporting Mother Tea Kitchen. You are just the best. Thanks for watching to the end. See you in my next video. Bye.